Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakout from this triangle, and Bitcoin has also formed another smaller triangle, an ascending triangle, and we will also take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame. And here we are following this very big falling wedge pattern. And previously we formed this wedge here, and we broke it out here in July 2021. We had a very big rally. Right now we have formed a bigger wedge than the previous one, and you can see that we have a same key support here at $28,600, and whenever the price line is testing this support, we are having nice rallies towards the upside. And after testing, you can see that recently we have tested this support here, $28,600, and also the support of falling wedge pattern as well. So there is a high probability that this time again Bitcoin will start another rally from here, and it will break out this falling wedge pattern. And we can see that this week MACD is also started turning bullish, and we can see that the stochastic on the weekly time frame is also oversold. And after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the target as per this falling wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $68,000. But it is also possible that it will form another higher than previous high, because every time after getting bounced from this support of $28,600, you can see it is forming higher than previous highs. Now if we switch to the smaller time frame, like on the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we are following this descending triangle, and we can see that here Bitcoin broke it out on 30th of May, and after that it moved down and retested the previous resistance of the triangle as a support. Let me to place the trend lines more accurate, so it will be more visible for us that how price line tested the support, the previous resistance of the triangle as a support here. It tested, and after testing this support, it is moving still here sideways. And I'm also looking for this bull cross between the 50 and the 200 4-hourly moving averages, the simple moving averages. This red one is the 200, and this green one is the 50 simple moving average. That will be a small golden cross on the 4-hour time frame, but it can bring a very big change, because previously when we can see when we had this bull cross back in March 2022, we had a very nice rally, but unfortunately this golden cross was not reflected on the daily time frame, and we were still in the death cross on the daily time frame, and eventually the price line moved down. And this time I'm expecting that after having this golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, there will be a very high probability that we will also receive a golden cross on the daily time frame chart between this 50 and 200 simple moving averages, because we are already getting bounced from the support, very firm support of this $28,600, like previously we had here as well. And at the same time, the price line is also getting bounced from the support of this very big falling wedge pattern as well. And stochastic is in the oversold zone, and at this time, while we are taking bounce from such significant supports, the oversold condition of stochastic is very important, and you can see that MACD is also oversold, and now it has started turning bullish from there. Right now it is weak. It has just turned weak bearish from strong bearish. Now if we switch back to this 4-hour time frame chart and dig this move more deeper on the smaller time frame, like I'm going to switch on the 1-hourly time frame chart from 4-hourly time frame, then here we can see that it has formed this new ascending triangle. Previously we were following this descending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame chart that Bitcoin has already broken out, and we had this short rally. And on the smaller time frame, on the hourly time frame, it has formed a new descending triangle, and you can see it is testing the supports and getting bounced from the supports and again, and also getting rejected by the resistance. We have the resistance of the triangle approximately at $29,880, and this time the support will be approximately at $29,500. We have already touched the support, so it is possible that it will have another move to the upside. And for example, if it will break out the resistance of this ascending triangle, then the next move can be here. That will be approximately $30,400, and a move to the downside will be here. That will be approximately at $28,900. And in that situation, it is also possible that it will also test this key support of $28,600 as well, if it will break down the support of the triangle. That is also the support of this bigger triangle as well. So next few hours are very important for Bitcoin. It is moving inside this triangle, and you can see that the movement is getting squeezed. And as much it will be squeezed, as much there will be chances for the breakout or breakdown very soon. I'm expecting that soon it can break out the resistance and continue the move to the upside, because it has already broken out this resistance of the triangle, and the target for this bigger triangle is approximately at $33,000. And if I place this trend line at the breakout point, then we can see it is showing us a target that is approximately $33,000, and this move is still due. We are rejected by this 204 hourly simple moving average. Therefore, we need to keep an eye now on this triangle. And if I place a measurement tool from this current candlestick up to the end of this triangle, then we can see it is showing us the projection that it can move between this triangle for next 59 to 60 hours maximum. It is not necessary that it will move at the very end of the triangle and from there it will break out or break down like previously it did here. It was moved out almost at the very end of the triangle and broke it out. It is also possible that it will break it out within next few hours or break down the support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.